said, "We don't sell alcohol here. We're a parts store." I don't understand why they hire these people at O'Reilly. I asked them for one simple thing. I said, "Hey, y'all got any mineral spirits?" You know what that lady said? Do you know what she said? She said, "We don't sell alcohol here. We're a parts store." And I'm like, what? If you drinking that shit, then you got some problems. Yeah. So she got the manager, and she was like, "Do you know what mineral spirits are?" And she was like, "Yeah, but we don't sell any here." Like, all right, well, I'll just buy a can of degreaser and some carb cleaner, and I'll go to Tractor Supply, because I got to buy like 5 gallons there. So that's where I'm heading now, is to old Tractor Supply. We're here, Tractor Supply, where you get more than just tractors. You get supplies. I found some parts cleaner, crud cutter, and I bought some other stuff, and my hands are all dirty now. Alright, what we're building is a welding cart for the welder. Get it off the ground, out of the way. Come with me to my journey. So basically, it's gonna sit like this, like this. I'll show you how. That's how it's gonna sit. This is gonna sit inside of it, right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna weld all these. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Alright guys, so we just got it done. I didn't weld any of the inside because that's where it's gonna sit. I just put a couple tacks there. Some of them big gaps that welded both sides. So I might have to grind that down a little bit. Put you out the sun here. Little Harbor Freight MIG machine, flux core. Not bad. There's a little bit of slag, but for the most part, looks pretty good. Alright guys, that's what I've gotten to do today. That leg, for some reason, that one just kicked out just a little bit. But what I'm going to do, I need to go back to the store. I need to get some angle put it across here to there, and then all the way around, just to support it on the back, because it is a little, you know, it rolls around fine. I'll make some little knobs here, probably one here, and one on the other side. So you can roll the cables up, hang them, put your welding hood on it, put some angle on the bottom to kind of support it and weigh it down. I'm going to put a little tray on the bottom, like probably a little 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch plate on the bottom. I'm going to weigh it down. Welds aren't bad. I just kind of, but they're not bad. It threw a little bit of chicken crap, but for that little $100 MIG machine from Harbor Freight, it throws some good beads. I'm not too shabby for what it does. I mean, it looks pretty good. That's the engine that I got back up. If you watched the earlier vlog, you'll see that that was on the ground. And there it goes. The only thing that broke was a little thermostat housing. Everything else came out alright. Oh, and the pulley. Right there. It slammed up, but I'm going to go ahead and replace this and the pulley, just because if it took that much of a hit, it might have bent that pulley and probably bent that just a little bit. It doesn't look like it, but I do not want to chance it. Plus, it's a little loose. So that's all for today, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe so you can see the finished product of this. But it rolls around pretty good. Not bad. Rolls around to where you need it anyway. But once I finish that, I mean, that'll be another video that'll finish it. Again, I'm tired today. I still got to clean up. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, because there'll be more of that content with that 4.2 liter and the CJ-7 and some more welding crap. And I need to build a table for that bench grinder. So, yeah. Subscribe, guys.